Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure iOS is current and the photo you want is in Photos or Files. Once ready, unlock the iPhone and open Settings. This is where you control lock and home screen images. Tap Wallpaper to begin. Don't browse camera roll yet. This step centralizes options like dynamic, stills, and live photos. Choosing settings first prevents accidental edits and shows the preview tools you'll use next. Now tap Add New Wallpaper to proceed. Now pick the source, Photos or Live Photos for motion, or Apple's Collections for stylized locks. Tap a photo, then use pinch and drag to frame it. This is why you preselected the image, to avoid last-minute cropping. Enable perspective if you want parallax. Turn it off to lock position. If colors or crop need work, tap Edit to adjust brightness or remove background before applying. These adjustments ensure the final lock screen look matches your intent and legibility. Tap Set and choose Lock Screen, Home Screen, or both. This action immediately applies your selection. Once set, exit Settings and lock the phone to verify time contrast and that widgets or icons remain readable. Make sure small details aren't hidden behind the clock. If the photo looks stretched or fails to apply, restart the iPhone, update iOS, and resave the image in Photos before trying again. This restart often clears temporary glitches and preserves your edited photo for a correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.